going on, guys? Welcome back to Stef ABtv and welcome to a video that I'm very excited to make. First of all, on my left, Mr. Paul O'Neill. Mate, we meet again.
I know, it's mega, isn't it? This time we're in a proper fast car, mate, so yeah, I'm looking forward to driving up the hill.
This is the BMW M8 Competition. Finally, well, I'm in it. Finally, it's here, and this is the first time we are seeing it here in the UK at Goodwood. Now, to put it into perspective, this is BMW's most powerful M car ever. 620 odd horsepower, 750 newton meters of torque, 3.2 seconds to 60. But that's not it. Do you want to do it? Just push the party.
Should we do it?
Just listen to this and watch the crowds draw. Exhaust on this specific one. The cold start waits are dead, but you guys are about to come up with me up the Goodwood hill climb in this car. We put it into rear-wheel drive motor. It's going to be a slidey one, and also I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the BMW M8 Competition. So if you like that, make sure to stay tuned. Are you ready?
I think so, mate.
Let's do this. Give it a rev. Give it a rev. This is going to be amazing. As you can tell, we've got our jackets on because Ollie's going to be driving like a lunatic. Oh, Jesus Christ. And there's some form of regulation that you need to wear long sleeves. But guys, you're going to really enjoy this. So guys, you're all aware that I've been a passenger and a driver of the BMW 840D and the M850i. The M850i was a car that I was super impressed with. That 0 to 60 time was amazing. The speed, the way it put the power down was on another level. Right now, I don't actually know what to expect other than I know it's going to be very loud. So we're about to find out. Back into your seat, guys, is unbelievable. Wow, that is special. Oh my good God. Over the line at 170 kilometers per hour. I have no idea what that is in miles per hour. Jesus Christ, and you know what the funny thing is, guys, that felt so quick. But mate, you were spinning up second, third gear.
I got into fourth and it just started to slow down, didn't it?
Unbelievable. And obviously that's the great thing with the whole X-Drive platform, is that you can have four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. Obviously we've gone for two-wheel drive for added drama for everybody, and just because it makes it more scary for me as a passenger. But I can genuinely see this car as when it's on the, all four wheels are, when it's on the X-Drive, all four-wheel drive, this thing will just stick, because it's quite a heavy car, which means that the weight plays to its advantage. But I mean, guys, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. I mean, that definitely was a burnout and a half, mate. Well done.
Smoked up, didn't she?
Well done.
That's amazing.
Right, now, let's give you some more facts and figures about this car, because all fun aside, you need to know, because a lot has changed and there's a lot improved off the M850i. So here we go.
So now you have seen how fast the M8 Competition is, let's talk about what you get with BMW's fastest ever M car. The price you would fork out for the BMW M8 Competition is £123,000. The car is available to order now, with first customer deliveries arriving in October. You can opt for two models, a coupe and a convertible. The convertible is a smidge slower to 60, but that smidge still means 3.3 seconds to 60, which, as you've seen in the first part of the video, is very quick. The 4.4 litre V8 twin-turbo engine is powered by an 8-speed Steptronic box. The engine is high revving with 2 turbochargers, cross-bank exhaust manifolds, direct injection with increased pressure, cooling and oil supply system, designed for driving at the limit on the track for maximum performance. The MX Drive all-wheel drive system is rear-wheel bias, but offers the option of full rear-wheel drive. If you need reminding what that means, well, here you go. Yes, that is 625 bhp going through the rear wheels and lighting them up all the way through, first, second and third through the Goodwood Hill climb. All models are limited to 155 miles an hour, rising to 189 if you spec in the M driver's pack. The coupe returns a respectable 26 to 29 miles to the gallon on a run, and now it's time to get a little bit more geeky and understand a little bit more about the engine itself. The turbos on the M8 Competition are positioned in a V between the cylinder banks for optimized efficiency. The V8 also teams up with a special engine mounting for a more rigid connection with the chassis. The addition of the M buttons on the steering wheel are all easily programmable driving modes to allow the driver to quickly go from a more docile to an out-and-out beast mode depending on how you feel to drive. Four-wheel drive provides maximum traction and controllable handling, whilst the four-wheel drive sport mode makes the car feel a little bit more on edge whilst sharpening the throttle and the steering without having to take it to the limit and going full rear-wheel drive. With minimised weight, mind you, still shy of 2 tons, a low centre of gravity, an ideally sized wheelbase and exceptionally thick Michelin PS4 tyres make the M8 Competition a very enjoyable experience for both driver and the passenger. BMW even looked at weight reduction in the wheels by removing small parts of its spokes to reduce a few more kilos. The wheels themselves, 20-inch wheels. A lot of learnings have been taken from the development of the BMW M8 GTE race car. This has all played a critical part in the design process of the M8 Comp. Interior-wise, the M8 looks superb. There is additional detailing found in the seats with a lovely stitching pattern. This is also found on the door cards, and when you get to the steering wheel, well, let's just say it's a proper steering wheel. Alcantara, carbon fibre, both found, making it really nice to look at and a really nice feel. I also like the fact that the Swarovski crystal gear knob has been replaced by an M Performance leather one. Not that I had anything against the crystal one, I quite liked it, but I think in a car like this, a leather one is definitely the better option. The M8 Competition comes with adaptive suspension and has electrically controlled dampers, giving you the best of both depending on how you choose to drive it. The M compound brakes are standard for all BMW M8 Competition models. The drilled inner-vented discs, which are 395mm with 6-pot calipers, do a really good job at stopping you. If you want to go for carbon ceramics, that's an optional extra. Features such as the double bubble contour in the carbon roof play tribute to that of classic race cars. And of course, the carbon roof isn't the only carbon fibre found in the M8 Competition. Interior centre console, engine covers, spoiler lip and more. It's fair to say that BMW had a lot of carbon to throw at this car. Things like adaptive LEDs are standard on the car, laser lights are an option. I have driven a car with laser lights at night, and it gives Wembley Stadium a run for its money. All in all, this was an incredible first drive, and the car felt incredibly good. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching, bye bye.